Get again.
That don't feel me now.
Listen me. I have to come for your mama. You know what? Never call me and tell me what you jump to your mama window and you look at me feel like your mama selling you. Me feel like your mama sell you out. Listen me.
Mama can't sell me out.
I wish man can put in and collect money for.
My man not put me on the man carry and collect no money. It even my mama careless.
Your mama careless because your mama make you put on tattoo. Your mama make you boy enable.
I don't know that. Enough young girl like me do them things. They so wrong with it.
Not 13 years old. At least wait till 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 88.
88? I'm all that shibble up.
The natural, yo, listen to me. You're a young girl. Hey, listen to me. No ramp with me.
I'm not gonna come here one day and walk and others see this.
You know why I love your mama? Your mama not top cheap for me. Your mama, that's why they put out your mama out there. You see, and that's all. Your mama have man hide in her closet. Man on her bed. All in her basket, man. I don't know what the idiot full up in this. So
if I think good is there, you must think they might come.
If
I saw something good, you expect them to come.
Oh! So that's what I'm up there tell us about something good. So that's why I'm putting in the man can collect you $3,000. I tell you this, me one pan of rum good girl picking me no rum. I see this like when you're there, you know. If you're left out of the yard without my consent.
What is that left out of the yard? Once you give me food and Wi-Fi here, I will surely live in this house.
Food shall be here. But Wi-Fi, I shall cut off it backside like where they are. No, because the internet will block you out. I'm saying that.
Or the internet are broke me out.
Yeah, look a picnic. You don't suppose to think about man. And a matter of fact, not with salt in here. No burger. No KFC.
Remember that people from Popeyes and KFC and burger. So what you mean by?
That is the thing we don't know. With the fear mother and the rest of parents them then kill you with fast food and fatten up too quick. Fed up on too quick. Send you to the road and some of the man them when they soon they have to go along the head.
Oh, she have fed up you. Or she make you them a girl that
Yeah.
Oh.
By going to access to have man.
Stop that crap, daddy.
You see when you're there, so nobody feel like say me I gonna make you come breathe under my hand. That's why I take you from your mama. Cause I take you from your mama, you'd have breathe all tomorrow.
I lie and tell. You think me with my body free?
Marvin. The nigga named Marvin who drive the market. Me saying they are cock up foot on dashboard. Me say him do your hair and put him bead in the head. Can you hear this a shop?
So but you know supposed to have someone you're supposed to do.
Yeah, you're supposed to do, but not man not supposed to carry go do it. More than your father and your mama.
So if you want me to do, you would have give me money to do it.
Listen, me now do nothing to now pick you when I go to school. Me now raise no big woman. Me now raise no big woman. Yeah, look up at me. You have to take up a book. When last you take up a book? Same thing. You have to take up a book. You all the years shouldn't. Lord, I got 2 times years, boy.
So I got 2 times. Look at AC3.
And you tell if I check with me. I said, look at me, AC3. Hey, I just told the people that go down for me, man. I tell me they'll beat it till I can't walk. Eh? Poor me want to stay in my yard by myself and I don't have no pick around me. Because I want to do my work so I can maintain, you know. Instead of your left work for early, now I go start left work early. I can't do double again.
2 reasons now.
Because when night come, I don't trust you.
What do you mean by after me a baby, after me now come out?
You couldn't come out, I don't pop off your neck. As a matter of fact, one in your room. One in your room. Because I go check my sister tomorrow, you know. And in that I call me today so then come. So let me tell you this. If you ever think your bad left out of morning when we gone up the beach, hold me hand to me and you. You hear? Go, Jesus.
Hey, Mom.
Wow.
Yeah, right.
You good? Yeah, man.
I have a question to ask you.
Anything you speak out, so you do.
From here, I grew up in a year, so I don't know my father. What happened to my father?
That you come with. We don't really want to talk about that right now in a bit. We don't really want to talk about that right
I want to my father. Me really want to know what happened to my love. Because, Mama, you know so have to support my father.
As we said to your sister already, you stand right this way here. We don't want to go pan that again. You don't bring that to me. We don't want to go this way again. Drop the subject. We don't want to talk about that.
Mommy, there's something you're hiding from us. What is the reason?
I like, you know my father. I'm like, you know, to my father because if my father was a shit. You know what happened?
Me 16 and she's 17.
Yeah, I mean, I know my father.
Alright, I never really want to tell you, but since I want to know none of big people. The father never really do much for me, you know. It break my heart. First, your father, I say, they try a thing. And you get the blessings of getting you. Oh God. And he treat me bad and leave me, you know? He treat me bad and leave me. And then me say, alright, me go try with you and try my best with you. And then me go meet her next man again and take to the father-in-law, your father. And he go do the same thing to me. So me I try butter with the two, you know. Me is on a mother and me is on a father in one. And then the need for know about him. Alright. No, so me love you, you know. Me love you, oh God, me love you. I protect him. I don't want nothing happen to him. I don't know good people, them, oh God. Me your mother and your father here. Oh God, me love you, you know. Me don't want nothing to me. It's my world. It's my world. All the cheap chicks too, you know, my world. That me want to see. That me want to see the sweet smile. Alright, no gotta worry about it.
Alright, I'm gonna bring you back up.
Alright.
We'll come back out to you.
Alright. Take care now.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
I want to say something to you. It's a good advice.
Alright.
You need to go out more often and clear your mind. You know, because of in the past, you go break up yourself. You understand? You have to go out more often and find love again. Yeah, find love.
It's hard, you know. But I've been thinking of the same thing, you know.
Yeah.
It's like so the ancestors spirit come tell you. I've been thinking about the same thing. But I'm afraid, you know, with all the foolishness and everything going on, and look now we get hurt with your father and her father. You know. But
Yeah, take my advice. But don't find nobody who will break your heart. If you look on them good and know the right, but yeah. Don't take up your thinking.
Right. No thinking, no
Yeah.
poker, no, yes. That's true. If you're not trying to get, not true.
Exactly. You can't make because somebody break your heart, you don't find the right one.
I think they're gonna try, you know.
Yeah,
Not to try, not to film. I think they're gonna try.
exactly.
Thank you. Can you just confirm what I've been thinking, you know? It's a play on mind and me so like how I grow up and everything.
Yeah.
You know? You start live life little now.
Yeah, and be happy. The poor father must happy anyway, then they must happy.
The most happy.
Yeah.
But you, I was straight, I concentrate on.
Yeah.
And from me not say you two alright. From me not so alright, you know? Me alright.
Yeah.
And my sister not grown up, girl, beautiful girl. Oh God, I'm proud of you, you know. So maybe it's my time for dating. My time to go find love now. Maybe. We can try. We can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we can do it. I just sport up myself and just spruce up myself. And, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know if Nick are ready for me yet, though.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Thank you. I'm going to do it.
You see, tell you now, sis, you come and you say, boy, if I never your daughter call me and say, Uncle, Mommy, there, gonna know.
Oh God, brother, no say so. No say you don't know how it go. You don't know how the things go. Me when I do everything. And I say, let me come over and bring the girls them over, come let them know them roots and them family. And by the time I'll meet one thief in taxi driver, if you ever did know what me meet up with.
You see, here in Jamaica, yeah, you know what kind of taxi we take.
That's true.
Yeah, some of them name hustler. Anyway, I really must do, some of them are hustler. But you can't come and greet me or call me before you say, my brother, me I come down, rent a car and drive. You know what, your brother drive?
Oh God, definitely. Oh God, I'm surprised we wanted to bring the girls, come more than family, and then meet a big family reunion. Sit down, man. Ease your foot, brother. Ease your foot.
Alright.
Yeah. So you tell them what happened to them? Hey, you know what I'm saying?
No, bad news, man.
No, to them bring them. Alright.
Talk to me about your family.
Okay.
We talk about time.
Alright. Anyways, I mean, we can link you to see what I made in Gambler.
In Gambler, but they can't stop them. Then they're Jamaica, them are sports.
I thought, how they come in and they all over my place, you know how you run?
Them are sports. They're supposed to just be outside. They'll come and tell
Them
them
are
to come
playing
out. And you know, teenage girls are so. You try. But why?
Me have a daughter, the boy, I tell them, my sister, I didn't want to come up and get a better future. Because out here, it's tough.
It's tough, bad. It's tough.
Because the graduation fee, when we are pay for, and you know, value the money. But they could have even take our back 10 grand or 5. You have to try to fight to get it, and the poor good girl, they're from man yard to the next man yard to the next man yard. And what I need and do nothing.
Lots. How old should we know? I mean, what's the time gone? How old should we know?
Too bad. I don't really remember my age. I think about 14, 15. When I go down, I go look back on his birthday. Because it's when people down here, we have to follow up them destination.
But you have to go work with them, boy. If we try to work with them, Marcel, but don't have my hands full with night.
No, that's why I go send my child to you. Because, you know, when you're over there, call me, say, bad getting people. You have to try to bend you, but he overgrew. You can't bend it. Normally, you have to bend them before they get spoiled. Because when they get to the level, they feel like they might eat too much salt.
Them not born small no more, brother. I know you and me days. When me and you are grow up, you can't talk to be people certain way and certain things. Relax, brother.
You remember the day I go to one box. No, you can't box them.
Then they come phone to police before you know go to.
I mean, that police them know like I idiot now. Also, and pick the complaint, say, yeah, lick them. You know, ask the question and then drag it down the station and then put it on social media. Say, the father beating child. I mean, all of them come down. Let me molest them. Okay, so me nowadays that them I use them for now. As they live up with tick, then them go to station and go tell the police that we molest them.
And then them same one when they pick me on the road and blame the parents and say, are we? And look around me, say, are we wrong?
But you might be one of them, they are really going to tell anyway, I want him to back tomorrow still because I have to go home to film a bad get one day.
Be sure she's not as bad as yourself.
When did you let your mother? Your mother would have given me a good bun. Me say a 3 man me come get in my house.
Jesus!
3 man, one under the bed, one in the closet, and one back on the door set up.
Lord God, what you do?
You couldn't do nothing more than blackout. You don't know what it is.
Jesus. You see certain women, brother, them have good man. Look how good man like you. And then just give them one and treat them. So you have good women like me, I try. And now we can meet up your crop. Oh God.
Sometimes in life you have to work with your craft until you can find better. Because you can't just keep the heaven door closed. You have to make sure the heaven door pass through most of the time. But anyway, we can really see. I'm calling you tomorrow because they come.
Alright.
If they come here, you tell them to their uncle you look
yeah,
them.
man, oh God.
And bless you, keep strong.
Blessings, brother, blessings.
All
You know,
right.
some yes, please.
Where do you go, nice?
Well, you have to make an effort. You have to make an effort.
So which way you go?
I'm taking your advice and the time to go out and meet people, so that is what I'm doing. I'm getting ready to go out the bar, full of vibes and get a meds.
Oh, that's lovely.
Nice.
So nice.
But my full of color.
Well, we want them to see me. I just know
You
no
want
cook
stand
soup
out.
you what's up.
Yes. Ready now.
And
Bring back somebody nice.
Of course, and you have to fit too.
Bring back
Another
somebody.
dollars.
Ma, bring back somebody who have money with her by food. Can you know?
Don't bring back the broke body.
No, baby, I'm tired of prof. No profs.
No
No
profs,
profs. This is 2024. No profs allowed.
Alright.
They wish me luck. I'm
Have
not.
fun now, have fun.
Have fun.
See how this is fun now.
No, prof. I'm never giving the number.
Bye.
See you later. Love you.
Love you too.
Bless.
Yes. Thank you.
No, thank you, thank you.
It's like that.
Hi, thank you. Oh, Shaz. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from? From around here?
I'm staying around here, but I always say I'm a Jamaican born in England.
Yeah? Yeah, this time?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Great
Don't
style.
really meet a lot of people around here though. It's nice meeting you.
And you. What do you do?
Me? Well, I'm a welder.
Okay.
Yeah. Try to make sure places are safe, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I do for a living.
Ah, you enjoy it?
Yeah. What do you do?
Me, I'm self-employed.
Oh,
I have a
yes.
crochet business, so I make bags, hats, and things
Wonderful.
and sell online.
It's a great thing.
Yeah.
A lot of people do stuff in the world, you know? Sure should do.
A lot of people sit down and wait for it to come
What
to
do you
them.
have? Oh, drink?
Oh, thank you. What do you recommend? I'm thinking about.
Bartender. Could I beg you a minute over here? It's probably one of my customers calling me right now.
Oh, girlfriend.
No, this is my work phone. I don't do. I'm not that type of person.
Wow.
Yeah,
Have you
can
had
see-
these ones before? What do you recommend?
What do I recommend? The bartender, could you just give us something special? Two special things.
Okay, so you want one of my specials?
Sure, no problem.
Okay.
Make that two.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you order it for you.
No, I said two.
Okay.
Yeah, go on. Oh, this is my second worker.
Hello, nice to meet you.
No, when I say I come up here. Oh,
May I call the phone when the phone?
yeah, see, it's all good, man. Oh, sure. Not lying.
One good thing me I look to borrow man to make that.
I felt like, hold on now, my fly machine. Like, I'm a cat I use right now.
Yeah, everything
It's
emergency.
my friend I just meet her, you know.
Oh,
Yeah. This is Roshan.
Hi,
man,
Sean.
you never try.
Yes.
At emergency in a backyard.
Emergency.
Yeah, my daughter.
Why?
You know, no spare change
Nah.
for you.
No, spiritual. Me check him. It's only first time I come check.
No, me I wait for you.
Yeah.
I wait for you.
Be right.
So, you check me out for the food, you know, like, me I tell you that emergency.
Yeah. Me get where I say now.
A doctor more want care of it.
I understand.
Yeah, one more time you have to.
Could you give me 5 minutes?
Of course,
Yeah,
of course.
give me 5 minutes.
I'll be right.
Yeah, man. Eating. I'll be there.
So, you work in the time, I'll be right there, okay?
Yeah, man.
Hold on, man. Because we talk to you about this idea. You sure you that one, man?
My daughter want to stay for my life.
Next week, we tell us the people them are pay me wood. Them are going to pay them to drill them. And we can get things. You know, no money, you know. So me just use the last money I buy this idea. I just use that, you know.
Alright,
Where long has that?
sure.
Yo,
Don't show no
she's self-employed, you know. She have a thing, you know.
I'm going to check somebody.
Alright, yo.
Do thing.
I'm on if you come out, you know.
Me have forward.
Oh, you have to go Benny and do.
Uh,
Go on, make sure you see if you're not go down. Alright. Ah. I just sense you sometimes, I just pop up. And tell me. You have called and you just do it. Yeah. Yeah, I just have to wait for the machine to give him some cash, you know.
Good to be good.
Yeah, I want to make sure it's starts. Drinks are not here yet.
No, they're waiting on you as well.
So tell me more about yourself.
Well, and me, like I said, I have my own business, so a lot of my time is taken up with my online work and my business and fulfilling orders and
Yeah.
so I've done all about that, so it's me time, concentrating on me. So I'm gonna come out and go on the meds and change is as good as the rest.
Tomorrow I'm gonna be very busy, you know. More I have this big day to frame out. Make the people get it by weekend. Yeah, so gonna be a lot of work. I just hope my second have time to come to work because his daughter now and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be like hard for me. I can't work by myself. I always have to have a second.
Safety as well.
True. But I enjoy my work, you know. Sometimes I do a little dancing, sometimes at night time. Do my little dancing. I'm a very good dancer.
Okay.
You want to see me do two moves?
Yeah, man, don't know show you have no
Everything mash up.
You're saving the rest for later.
That
That was just start.
Yeah, that's what it is to start, you know? You got a beautiful smile too, not sure. Yeah,
Thank you. Well, I like someone who can make me smile.
true. You got like kids?
Yes, yes, yes. I have children.
Yeah, and I don't have any. One day though I'll do that.
Yeah, man. One day the blessing will come. Everything
But I'm
in
always
its
good
time.
with, I'm good with kids. Yeah. I'm,
And
kids
you don't
love
have
me.
any and you're good with kids?
Yeah, people told me every time you're gonna be a good dad, you know?
Okay.
I said no. But I just love kids and they're very attractive, you know? Yeah.
Well, they always say, watch people with your children and animals.
I didn't get your name, by the way. What's your name?
My name is Sparta.
Spartan? Wow. It's like a strong drink name. This is a very long drink, though. I won't take another drink.
It will work the way, I'm sure. Good things come the way. Wow.
Just come to Sunrise and you'll get your perfect.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much, Spartan.
Thank you.
It's so Oh, this drink is really good.
This is a tricky one though because it's so nice. You go down, it's so nice.
It's like you're drinking more than me. I've been reaching
You need to drink up, man. You need to drink up. You gotta keep up. Oh, you can't manage. You don't want to force it. You can't manage, you know?
Oh, this is just one drink, you know? This is just the way I drink. I don't really drink fast, yeah.
This is a dangerous one. You drink it down fast, and before you know it, it's on your back.
Creeper.
Yeah, man, it's a creeper. Like the creeper. But it's been nice, you know. But I think I'm gonna have to call it a night soon.
Are you
I'm gonna have to call it a day and shoot off.
already?
Got a busy day and all this and fulfill. But it's really nice meeting you, though.
Yeah, it was nice meeting you too.
Yeah.
I think we should meet up sometime. You can give me your number, you know? And I could just call you or text you.
Yeah, sure. And I'm glad too much.
Alright. Okay. So I'll just text you. And then you'll have my number.
Alright. I look forward to that. It was really nice nice meeting you. Take care.
Take care, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Hey, alright.
Somebody I show a lot of teeth today.
The most of us. Well, what can I say? Gonna put on a sweet milk for me. I go to the bar, meet a nice guy.
I know.
They have Cruff Radar now. I have Cruff Radar.
Can't get it.
Not time I'll buy me drink. Cocktail, me there, cocktail, green cocktail, I don't even know where it is. Very nice.
Can't eat all I want.
So when we are going to meet him?
Well, I don't know. I have to play this one out right, because he have money, yes, when them friends come chat to him and him just brooks to help him, so buy cocktail, to menu and anything we want on the menu, my dear. So let us see if we can hold on to this one.
Yes.
Tight.
Yes, pray. God is good. God answer prayer, answer prayer. Knows say good things come to those who wait. Me happy. Me not
Yes, I'm happy. I walk up come in, I hear somebody come at me and say I must be about passport. No one am. I'm sure you.
Yes, I'm happy for you. I feel like I find the one.
well, me don't know if for the one, baby girl, but am alright for now.
Yeah, if
I
I
know.
have money.
You want your food and your chips and things.
Yes.
Me know. Well, me not pick up no crop. Me promise you that thing. Me no
Yeah,
promise
but
you
you say no
nothing
crop now.
else. Oh God. If me no promise you nothing else, me not pick up no crop. Bring in your phone, in my heart. You can't bring it in any old thing round, There's my gems, man, but I like him.
Yeah,
Right.
if you're my coffee, you can't go stay.
No,
I'm
man.
going to tell about this crop argument.
Because she not have good luck and your father have coffee forgot.
Fear when I prof you forgot.
No.
Oh, but I forget it.
Alright. Don't tell the prof now. We're moving forward and onwards and upwards. His name is Trey. Yeah. Tiffany.
Yeah.
And I'll have little beards so we can play with later.
And then the mommy are going with it.
You're gonna get your young mommy again, man. You're gonna see your mommy young again.
So, mommy, our Jamaican you pick up?
Mhm.
I just want all of your family to pick up. Jamaican. You sure
Well-
they have money?
Well,
Well, myself, man, I want to
Missy.
much of life.
Missy, because tell you this, when I'm friend, I never talk though, but when I'm friend come checking for emergency, something like that, I wasn't listening, I wasn't eavesdropping, coming in, growing up for eavesdropping at people argument,
I
but
understand.
when a friend come for borrow some money for hospital, so hospital a big money,
Yeah.
an emergency, and whoops, him just take excuse, so and run go to the ATM, and know how much you help your friend out with a friend, thank him and gone, so.
We will make sure that I'm a Jamaican man, you don't easily we call you to your come from foreign and things you have money.
And they know who them are deal with.
Yes.
Them
Don't
fool.
make him can you at all.
If anybody a got can and me a got can. And I know me. My name woman, woe bit man.
Make sure you know.
They have you two for look after and think about when you come first.
Make sure.
Mhm.
Bringing can you money, look at some change money where you have.
And then you can't buy back a plane ticket. Then I
Yes,
must
we go
buy.
back because we can't wait to go back to foreign. Jamaican life too hard.
And then nice, but it's hard. Uncle Larry! What's up, Uncle Larry?
Kennedy.
Hey,
Wherever you come, see the long hand.
headmaster, you come and go book club machine.
Let me ask you a question. No, una come over the ice.
Well,
No,
I am bird at cast, but
I never
When-
I never flew on that bird. I never flew on that bird. So, you see, only shouldn't beg me nothing.
like we come at Jamaica, you cannot even have a walk coconut. You coconut them over front because the winter time, it then just freeze.
Yeah. Me can offer that coconut, but me can offer me something out of the bag.
We not bring none up.
We now work and we might not work, not we.
Exactly.
No, 16 or 17 over there work. The last time me checked, no matter, I tell me 16 or 17.
We look like we look work, like we want work. It's work my family. We mother have money, we don't have to work.
So, half of the mother pension and all live off.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank God my sister not find no man. Because
I
you
lie.
know,
Me see she come here not too long. All teeth and smiles at accent. Oh, she found one nice man and he named Trey. How he got money and he
no,
must
sis, come here. She did it?
Yeah, come on.
Sis, come here, because me don't understand what's going on. Since you come back from England, you find
I'm not so big. I'm not so big and fast.
No, Uncle Jai out town.
Enjoy your.
Did you not know that?
Yeah, because of tell me I'm gonna give a coconut.
No, them are beg. And I mean, here beg.
On a beg,
No,
no, it's on a beg.
a coconut to ask him for no jelly water.
No, I only have mangoes and cherries.
You're not
I
begging
don't-
for that, brother.
I don't,
You're not begging for that.
oh, I don't raise I don't grow coconut in me. So if you want mango, you can get it a lot because it's dropping off the tree a lot. But the cherry, I don't know if the cherry tree ready. But you never get job, man.
Give me.
16 or 17. If you
When
put
we
them up.
eat,
Yeah, try talk to them. Yeah, try talk to them. Maybe if you talk to them, then this can. It just like go in there, sir. Out there, sir. Faster than they can go in there, sir, brother.
You have to give me them a few days. You can't let
For
that
the
punches.
face. I love that idea.
Yeah.
The face, for the face.
Yeah, alright. Go which country who go suffer? I be a water me say people have to carry and cook for and good for you. Me can't say my good life I come down there so with you.
Ask your sister when I used to younger. You know,
Make it
far with
clear.
your water. Then the time the jackass days, no taxi name alone.
Hey, Uncle. Then days they are over.
Exactly.
It's modern times. Ancient times are finished.
No, it's still there.
No, it gone. When last Uncle, tell me when last I find one jackass. I carry water.
Yes.
You see a pay car, pay technology. Bet me back in a few days or so, as a buckle no used to cut off and put in no ears or cup and use car.
Then the days are fun.
It's fun, but you know.
When we
no
used
fun.
to write letter and send it off to the post office. And did you wait for we love office send back with letter?
When you no return home, I can't imagine a broken heart.
Yeah, it take long for your heart broke. And I like say, yeah, it takes any message coming right away, your heart broke right away.
No?
You take all 2
All it
weeks.
takes, it takes, it's faster.
So you went out, they tell me that you went out and you're fine. So what am I gonna do? When I'm gonna see him?
No reach brother-in-law yet. These two Mount Thomases, we just come tell them the good news, but everybody can share it with you. Yes, me too, guy. I don't know where to go yet.
Yeah, money.
Well, it seems like you have money coming.
Because you know how far we have come from, you know. Because me want to fly upon the bird too, as them I said, them both farm me say them a come down upon bird, them fly upon the bird. But want to know which part upon the bird them fly come here, because I never know so people could have travel upon bird.
Uncle, you say iron bird. If
Oh.
iron
You can't
bird is
live
a
up the
plane
iron.
that looks like a bird.
Oh, you fly
Iron
upon the
bird.
fly?
No,
No.
engine
Oh,
technology.
oh. I thought it was
I never fly with you.
Yeah, 'cause I never been on a plane before, so I have to ask.
You have to go break that, you know, you have to go break that, but you need to go up on a plane and
Alright,
go
leave them here with me dad and take me. They reach out here, out here Jamaican pick me and work,
You
you know.
know, say, it's not a bad idea, you know, brother.
No, and
Because them,
no,
them
ma.
too
Mm-mm.
soft.
No, ma,
Them
can't
not
lift me.
soft. Trim your hand. Try and clear hand. Them soft never lift a broom in a day's work. I said for do chores, them a come out. And they pocket money for doing the chores. You have to pay me. I say go over Friday, you know.
You have to pay me to do too.
Them think. I said them a come with.
No, give me them for few days. This
You
is,
know, so that's a.
give me them for few days.
Mommy, I love your gems, them.
Right.
So you can't say where your gems, them
I
like that.
become me love, you know.
No.
No,
It's because
when I
we love
don't
you
know, I don't go to England, I don't have to get work.
Good work too. No piano work. Remember you said that with no piano work. No thinking.
Because when I drain up my sister money now, you know, I only make me can reach a foreign now, you know.
So who stop your bird?
Oh
Oh no, as Spanish me talk.
no, when I'm
Stop
baby,
going
me clean,
gracias,
me clean, I mean, I should wash on a napkin, you know. Because we couldn't afford fast food. No.
Tell them.
We have to wash in the nappy. Sometimes we make some coconut panty glue, you know, it's straw, glass straw, and we make it put it on
Then
power.
uncle when my baby go in there.
No, it leak out. Y'all laugh.
Right.
I'm not even wash the sheet. Also, when I need no piece bed, you know.
Stop telling her.
Yeah. So,
The truth I come out. The truth
yeah,
I come out.
I know that can call upon me and I thought, well, if we could bring coconut,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, come with the big
go and talk to
man.
my sister and go on inside.
Big people talk now.
Anyway. Alright, here we are going to do now. Because it seems like them 3-year lady, you can't control them. You give me them a few days, but it come free.
Alright.
I not charge because you're my sister, but me take on $500 to buy food and you can't afford it. Really don't
Yeah,
need it.
yeah, man. Yeah, that fair.
I mean, I talk 500 US now. I talk England money. So, me come for them tomorrow. So.
Alright.
So, hopefully when we come here, you know man there so we can know how. So if anything happen to you, we can squeeze in life out time next. And we can find anyone because you have to them money here, no matter what. All the things them interested in are money, woman. So I hold you up at the game part for you know, give me English. Because if you give English, you're not going to look for English money. But if you give patois, you're going to know what's nothing of it. Anyway, my niece,
Yes, uncle.
you son don't want coconut, right?
Yeah.
When they come for you, you're going to get as much mango.
No. We nobody want it.
Later.
Later.
Like one.
The sun
She told me green, but I really got green. Hey,
Hi. Oh. We gotta open the gate. Come here.
I thought it was like peace.
Huh?
Big one.
Yes,
Hi.
girls. This is my friend I was telling you all about.
Nice to meet you. I'm Trey.
Nice to meet you.
They look like a thief though.
Hi. Come on. I just share me.
I take a shift, you know? You know what I think I take a shift. So what's going
Never
on?
mind, I'm good. If you find the place, I'm glad you find it alright. Sit down. Get my drink. Come on, make yourself useful, man. Don't be
Come on,
bored.
come on, let us make ourselves.
Oh, they're very big daughters.
Yes, my big girls are proud of them. You find the place
I
alright.
thought I was lost. There's so many rooms tonight.
I'm easy to find it.
We don't got any more in the fridge at this point.
No problem. I'll find this one.
Wait, my connection.
Thanks.
So much better
You got nice stuff. I'm from White House. Yes.
See if you're living.
Huh?
See if you're living.
Moelda. Yeah.
Drink
I like to
up.
make place protected, you know?
Oh, understand. My woman want to listen.
Freeze out before you put in your
I could
arms.
do a good pattern here, you know?
Yes.
Drink water.
Drink up. It's very fresh because it's water.
Yes, man, it's good. So how old are you?
16.
You're 16.
Yes.
What's,
You remember me?
Kayla be here. Please will get to me.
Hold on.
don't have to be that very rushed. You
My
know?
spirit not take you.
It's very
Hi. Never go on, son. No.
The road man.
Stop put them bad things for mommy name.
Look, you can't judge a book by cover. You have to know me, you can't get to know me.
You look white.
No,
make
you
your
can't
sister.
say that. You can't say that.
You just look bad.
Oh, no, man.
And you know, say if we go to the barber now, you can't believe Sammy. Look totally different if I go to a barber right now.
Not all a bit fast.
Take this, put in a fridge. Come, go on.
Go on.
Yeah,
Go
sure.
on, make
Thanks
big people
for
talk.
that.
Thank
Yeah,
you, darling.
let
Make big
them
people talk, man.
Enjoy.
You know,
Oh, God.
I've been on too many walking hot.
I'm sorry about them. They're
Yeah.
just
I
protected,
thought
you
they
know?
were very small, you know, these are kids.
Oh,
Yeah, those are adults.
yeah, man. Big kids, but, you know, they're not one.
Teenagers.
They're not one. Watch me look so young.
Yeah.
Why, how old did you think we was?
That was like 27.
Oh, bless you. Now I know I love you. Oh, God, put some GCT on that, man.
No joke, I swear.
Oh, GCT, heavy GCT on that number.
Yeah?
So what, you're still interested?
Yeah. Why wouldn't I?
Oh, Trim say you're shocked about the
Never
size.
regret
Probably never
anything I
really
say.
tell you.
Never regret a word I say. Yeah. Because I always think before I say things.
That's the best way to be. That's the best way to be.
Place nice and cool.
Thank you. We try.
One day I'm gonna invite you to my place. Yeah. You see how my place there and stuff too, you know? I can know some of my friends and family.
I didn't meet one the other day still.
Yeah, one of my workers.
Put up the grill later,
Did you Hey brother, you alright?
How you know him?
What do you mean how you know him? My friend, you come see.
Well, I know you also.
I got me want to ask you know.
Think me see you before, you know. You live up on the scheme, man. I red ground. Red ground you come from.
You don't know it.
Me know you, man. Yeah, man. Put up some grill for you the other day. If me second the day, I would know you.
You know me. You put a grill for me.
Yeah, man.
You put a grill for me cousin.
And the kitchen there, so.
No, me. Anyway, my sister. My sister can hear to me. Yeah, man.
Hear me there, right? You say no, me can't hear you, no, virgin.
No, this is if you want to hear me. And that's what I talk about right now.
You related
So
to
you
them?
pull me aside, man, and say, sis, make me talk.
Alright,
Yeah.
so two
That's
words.
related to him?
I'm a brother, I'm a big brother.
Oh.
You know
Happy
him?
days, so me see him enough time, man. Papa, your name?
No call out my name, come in and know who look for me. Not do it.
I understand that, I understand.
Wait, there.
I'm inside.
Oh. You know, so they may really come from the country. But me now take them now, tomorrow evening, me come for them in the night because me have some things and tomorrow, my daughter need company down the can we go west.
Yes. A
So-
perfect company, man.
And then we learn.
Yeah, man.
Cause me no want when you go up on the iron bird on the car and come down. If you flap, I'm gonna maybe stay steady. Me no want. No, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, man.
Where talk about?
You don't know them foreign life there. You are Jamaica, you know.
Oh, just a little thing me and my brother saw.
Hello?
I'll tell you.
Look up here.
No comment for there.
Uncle,
Yeah, me didn't care no coconut.
so come back. But anyways, I'm glad to see you.
Reason stepfather.
Yes,
Yeah,
very
cough.
no walk country.
Huh?
No walk country.
I know today.
We are about country, it's about
I know
country.
today. Relax.
And if you put things in a mommy head, they say, go take a cough.
Hi, hold on.
No.
Sister, the gentleman is right here. I'm never going to saw.
I mean by crop.
We need to put sense in our head so no matter
I know
tell
what
them
business,
about.
you know.
Where your business name?
Huh?
Where your business name? Give me a business card.
Me never bring any up with me right now. Me never know say I have big kids. Your mom have.
So you think I look at kids?
Yeah,
You think I sweet too?
I'm a good
You think I cool kid?
No, I don't mean like that.
You think I cool lady?
She said she have 2 kids.
Yeah.
Really
They will
small.
take them
Yes.
small. Have big teenagers.
Listen,
Why Trim thinks of me young, you know?
anything
Yeah.
under 18 is kids.
Mm-hmm.
And you should have asked age.
No, me never.
She never said baby. She never said children. She said kids.
Because I mean,
Anyway, excuse me. Tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, we come for one. I talk to the mother and you.
Hey, that's it. From big people.
Listen.
yes, sir.
Eh?
You have to go.
No, I'm not telling my country, but this is what I say. This is if my sister ever call me for the phone and tell me, say, you abuse her.
No,
you
listen up.
Are
We
you,
don't do there something there.
are you not maintain her 2 people there because I didn't catch anything yet? 1 year to go and 1 or 2 years to go.
Listen to me. See me, he's a good person.
And your mind kids.
I'm gonna take care of kids.
And your,
Right too.
and your mind the brother-in-law them.
No, not my father. But if he need a hand, we can't help him.
Every day we need a hand. You got to know.
Every day.
Yeah. The yard one cut up
So
the right now.
where you do for your living?
Me?
Yeah, where you
The
do?
farmer.
You're a farmer.
Yeah. The
Where you
plan.
farm?
Huh?
Where you farm?
None of your business.
Where you
How
farm?
will you get the money from?
What do you mean?
Yeah, you come asking questions, so you must ask you questions.
No,
back.
me don't like people ask the question.
Why you want to question me and me can't question
Oh, my
you? You're
sister
trying
is
to
so-
have a conversation here.
She born here, but she grew up in England, and my sister
I'm
is
just protecting on you.
And me and my sister come from far, from donkey days, jackass days. So me know when you come back home, live off a little pension.
No, I don't have that in my intention, father.
Because we know
But
some
don't
of
come here
women
with that
can,
intention.
as you see a woman speak English, see we
No me. No me.
are we that up
Me
there?
normally busy at work. You know, I just say one day I say me chill. I meet her at a bar, you know.
Alright, anyway. Did you come to check my sister for 110 grand? You can give me 120 grand?
Me, I have no funds.
Sis,
Tell me what to do.
you will call you.
Yeah,
Keep
man.
an eye.
Probably the next time I see him, can
Sis, keep an eye.
Here,
Alright.
so big up yourself.
Sis, watch your wallet, your purse, everything. Keep an eye.
Alright.
Sis,
Alright. Thank you, brother.
sis,
Alright.
watch.
Alright.
You see a little England pound silver them? Watch it.
Me
Me?
watch. Me have my dark. Me have my radar on. Me have my radar.
Now watch you.
Alright, brother. Easy, man. Easy. Alright. No flow.
No, like how everything going on.
I just keep brother to you. Sorry about it.
It like, look like say, you see me on the road and we do this.
No, man, you can't. No. You wouldn't do it.
No, no.
You know, big brother stay. You is the one that girl.
Ah.
Watch out. And if you want me, for you come here just sit down for your big look up grand, but they can't get over this in my house.
You see a place clean.
Same place clean here. Nigga, the place won't always be clean. If we never did a clean it would have clean. So after I come here, just and you want to look at food stuff already. And you already see some money alone, you just there and you for you.
Yeah, you just food stuff like.
Oh, call upon it, it's not for you. You feel something like that? Oh, you cook food for we eat?
Me know so not from. Not today, no. How to become full.
That is none of your business. You say just bum me enough and you come
Why
here.
come like
Originally, me normally get
No,
6
no,
floor.
wait for
After
the
me come here, I start get 2. You just come here and take up you and look food.
And you say you start eat less. No, we don't know why you start eat less.
Cause of you, mommy have to shop my dumpling then for place you and shop my rice bread. How you feel so life go? That is so funny.
You understand something like me. Let's try to see with you.
Me tired to see with you right now, me blind pound you.
You know, if you say good someone.
No.
And if you're a good person.
The spirit can't take you.
None call.
None time.
I just want to look at me.
Like, come on, it's deep pumpy dumpy. You just settle,
What
settle
me have to do
down.
for
You still have to pray for.
Leave.
No, I'm going to leave.
Yeah, that's what we have to show.
Yeah, you, me say, when I smile, that is the sunshine in the bright sun.
And you just sit on me. And you're there for like 2, 3 days.
Cause you make me sick of you, as me say,
Oh,
originally
just
me
me.
normally clap them 6
You know-
flowers for you come here and 2 me start get. Where 4 of them gone? Are you alone at eating house if you come here your belly get big?
No. You know, say, how did that work? I did fast food them when I buy, you know, you can't go to work. Right?
I fast food do this.
Yeah,
We have got big.
Remember, we just eat, you know.
And we not eat and we hungry.
I fast food and we eat at work.
When you come here for? Eat what you want mommy money?
No.
How are them?
We have a relationship with your mother and we don't sell some big ass.
It wanna just me and you just moving quick and fast. Why? You just jump in so.
I'm going to stay in a room and mother room.
Hey, it's our mother room. We are allowed around here. Huge difference.
Serious?
Yes, I need
Oh, so we look like that and that?
But no matter how they are right. And I mean, if this don't look right for me in a room and me there in here, people will think things and I don't know that.
No.
I mean, no.
I would never look at anyone and
You can't look at me.
you know, a young
You look
teenager.
bad when you just can't get it.
No,
That's a
seriously?
huge difference.
Come on, I'm a grown man, you hear? I'm a grown man. I do not think that we have to do
It's better you're grown. You don't have to cook food.
that. No, cook.
Belly sister, belly.
I must see you belly grown.
I'm belly grown man.
Either way, it's missing for you. We're not going to go just about that stuff.
That's time come here. I got to not talk about money.
Money is everything. Money is everything. Everything.
I don't talk about money.
I mean, you can't talk about money.
I'm not saying I just meet person where I say you have money.
Hey, good night. Love with my lives, everybody in here. Well done.
Yeah, just a reason with the doctor. Whatever, know what? They're not happy with me here, because.
Tell mommy the truth and stop telling lies. Where did you hear a while ago?
I talk to them.
Mommy in here look me and if you get it out.
What?
If you look me.
Mommy, not true.
Me?
Yes, you!
You think somebody grand? Me say, ma.
Say.
Alright, there's some turn up my room door and wait for you to do it. You think somebody was suspect?
You can't say that.
Mr. Tangan send me that video myself. I hate. I'm a
sick. He's a grown man who never look at your daughter.
I know that there's
So
a very
Alright. When I tell you can't hear everybody at one time.
Yeah, explain.
When you say
what
go
he said to you, please send me a look.
He said about how me beautiful and he wants some coochie.
Me?
No, me.
I would never say that.
You said that.
I
Stop
would
telling
never
lie.
say that. I just mean
So how that conversation come out
Yeah.
exactly for coochie to
Explain
come up
that.
in a conversation?
Tell her.
I lie them and tell. See?
I know that.
She can't explain that.
How some serious in your life?
No, it's serious. Let me
How
get
some serious
now.
in your life?
Me did the in here. I am very observant and I am a very observant kid and I love to take notes. Anytime me do that, then I realize how you look for my sister and so me and her come up with a plan and plan so me and her come in here and if you alone in a room with her and me turn up right there so I eavesdrop. Remember say for mother all this you know and not because we born in England or something that no means so we don't know all these ways or nothing. So me put one cup on this so I put on my ears and I eavesdrop her and me hear when you tell her about she beautiful. About coochie and want money and this
Actually
and
say
that.
coochie.
Yes, him actually say want somebody. He say mommy who you believe your James are you?
Don't say that.
Should I?
Never say that.
I'm gonna know
Oh,
what
that's
to do
that.
right now, you know, because well, like, from morning,
The thing they need
from
today,
trade come. Are you telling me right in front of the man face you couldn't believe when we came to you tell the man say you're scared not taking. You sure not trouble your cause now?
Yeah,
Where this come from?
I'm sorry, really. I want to disturb you.
Yeah.
Uncle,
No,
he in
really.
here. Tap the knife. Uncle, he in here. Child molest me and mommy no want believe. Mommy put this all trash over.
No, I'm not some say, we never say.
That
We just
never do
say
that.
we try understand.
But I never do something like that. I met them and make you.
Uncle, if somebody tell your daughter say you want some my coochie, what you don't believe?
Which coochie?
That one day, don't believe coochie.
Below. When I don't live up in class.
Leave me from uncle.
No! You know, ask my daughter. I can't trust her. Anyway, we tell them somebody they come phone today.
We don't want to walk
Yes.
But
Come
anyway,
on, you must take them with you.
yeah.
Nobody force it add on to it. We
Yeah,
don't deal with
if you
it.
go. I feel yard.
Hello.
Force the people.
Hello.
But I think a break would be good.
Your mother needs some privacy and I need some help down the country. But then now I come from England when we used to change the diaper. And I work back out the work with me, spend power on and was a baby.
So uncle, did you do creep and go work?
Listen me, let me tell you something. Don't open up your mouth to me. Because when they are country, I belt me use and wait for me.
Well, me tell you, when me there in England, we go for tracks, me play football, me play netball and so on. I know how to run. What to play.
Well, either way, we can't take the headache. We can't take the headache. So, ready. And change is as good as the rest. We can't take the headache. You sure now? Yeah, somebody talk to you. You sure?
I would not do that.
Listen, No, but you need
Come man, you need to go for it. Just a breather, you know? And go meet your cousin. And go spend some time with your cousin and get to know your cousin because God know me can't take the stress here right now. And you are gonna send me up for the start life, you know?
Nah.
I'm gonna bring you a nice man and come man, come.
Bring it on.
Where we bring a nice guy in?
You get sure nice.
Well, how we gonna find out till everybody put
You
the
like
keys?
something wrong with me?
From him call everybody and tell me say, me not like him, my spirit not take, maybe give a chance. Come on, go meet your cousin, and spend some time with your cousin, man.
Yeah, watch it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, watch me.
Just
Watch
know I
it.
say me love God. Physically, me still there. Let all that spiritually.
Let me take up my phone. I left my phone.
How you got?
Me love you, my daughters, me love them, but me just need a break. I need to go
You want
take some time
lunchtime?
with enough family.
You want lunchtime? You say you want break. You want lunchtime?
No, I'm dinner too.
No problem. I'm supper.
Real phone.
No, I don't jump with the kids like that. Because I know kids are very light. But, me only glad you never touch them.
More to do that.
Because I know only prison only have been 6'6" after prison. Because me a lay away till when they get there.
That's it.
Mrs. Do me a bit. Watch him.
Yeah, man.
God, you see them? When I done jail in my country, you know,
Mm-hmm.
when they go back to England, they're ready to work.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Cause
That
you
me.
have them over there and do everything.
Them too spoiled, man. Them
Foreign
too sick
people.
and
And
spoiled.
that's why they're spoiled. They're not. I'll be them baby, that's it. But we're not too like it.
Mm-hmm.
Out here, we be them with a bad parent and cry, we slap them pan and bam bam. Shut up! Yeah. Watch it.
Yeah.
Watch it.
But I'm glad how you give me a little time and give me a little breeze. You know, how you like how the relationship is a start. You know, after the knowing, and you know.
When that relationship end up worse than Titan.
Never thought enough. Remember, some have a
You
radar.
can't predict the future in the father.
No, me not predict. Me are thinking it will happen.
Not that now.
Not saying that happen. No name not happen.
Nah, them are way.
But me have to tell you. You are rich.
You don't know yet. You can't predict the future also.
You have a ton thief.
But if you told my goal will be.
You have a ton thief.
No, sir. I'm working so hard and never
How you know if you have a ton thief there?
I mean,
Can you say
I-
that me can't predict the future? How you know? Anyway, me stop talking about. See, you know, when you do good, you don't talk. You say you're going to the theater.
Yeah, man. Never did that.
500 England. Me I talk to my sis. Sorry.
Just so breeze off liquor.
Now what I do?
Breeze off liquor. We just a
First
talk.
of all, what people they need? They ain't enough.
There ain't nothing in so we never do. Come and know how Kayla especially love her belly. And that's sweet.
No.
That's in the six.
Under my roof, we equal the food.
Yeah, man.
2.5 dumpling in the morning for breakfast. In the lunchtime, 1.5 dumpling. For dinner, they can get 2 dumplings.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause we don't have photo. I didn't say me 1,000, but they're doing it.
No, we can do 6. Alright, brother. Thank you, oh God. Bless you, no walk good year.
Yes.
Walk good. Love you, no. My spirit tell me that, you know, but true them not like you for a long time. Come and text them. And true them not like you for a long time, you know, that's why I send them brother. Let them get a little breeze on and time with them family and country time.
Yeah, cause the energy may start good. This energy is making everyone may start. Don't think could that go away.
Hello. We bring it down, right? For all the mother, teaching how hard life works. So when you look back,
Already Uncle Bruce your hard life. This our more hard life never go place.
so what am I doing in my bed?
I found never know say for your bed this You just carry come in and you so you carry go we never see no else.
My daughter around this, I'm going to sleep around that the room there.
No, me not sleep with nobody unless if I know me and my sister sleep.
Hey, get up, wake up. I'm not saying that, I'm not saying that more. You see, they come here, you don't lay in that bed, so. We just dropping off and drop asleep.
What's your problem?
Listen to me, you have a change. When I was a fucking look up here. Don't go around lay down side of my daughter and all dirty clothes.
Me say your dad tell me right to say me and sleep with the daughter. Come here, come people. What's
Hello.
wrong with you?
Oi.
Oh, me tell you no. This is not your daughter. No. My
You can sleep with the daughter.
My mother don't take on my phone. You go sleep with your daughter. I don't know you that much.
Look at the type of sheet they may have. Tube sheet. Big hard life with them. Look at.
This is facing the world. This is hard life. This is how you live. You have to use the money words outside. You don't dash it away until done as done until it tear and mince up. And when it tear and mince up, you turn in a foot clot. You don't waste it. You balance yourself. You go waste money so. You think over England one just buy one suit and wear it today and tomorrow and dash away.
It's not my money I spend, not mine. Mother money I spend, not mine.
And that's why I go and kill you to walk up here, you see? I go and kill you to walk, you know what I mean? You see what I do?
Uncle. Night.
That's my people never come here, y'all.
No, listen. Me done already tell yourself, me cannot take no more somebody here. Huh?
Mommy put out my clothes.
Mommy put you out to the clothes. Put you out, good man. You're a big man. You're supposed to walk.
I can't work yet. I tell you already, I can't manage construction work.
Listen me boy, when back in the days of me young like you, me walk me.
Can't manage.
Can't manage what? But if you yam down you want food down there, you yam it down.
My grandfather said me not to ramp with food and from that, me don't stop eating no.
Every
Aya, tang.
where? Tell me.
Yes.
Under her roof.
No, you like my father.
What's it gonna be?
Man, what you do with the
Go on,
broom?
let's
But
go
must
back
get the
to-
water from. You have inside bathroom to wash up my nice body. Have you
So I'm sleep at the uncle.
What I do?
What
What
you
I
got
do?
to do? Suppose somebody come down the phone.
But the leg out there, you little cranny sitting there out there. So
Welcome to hard life. You know what me I say now?
If I ever sleep at the uncle.
No, listen. Not
Me
even
say I can't come back down there.
me not run her. Me not run and
So I'm to stay
if your
right
mother
there.
did there in England now you could have told you.
I fear this.
Oh,
I'm to stay.
listen me. You see if your mother did come from England, you have to tell her, what your mama don't live
No,
here.
she'll go back to England.
She never go up, she never fly for a bird yet.
She'll go back to England.
No, no, she fool you. You know the last time I see her, down at KFC I walk. He never fly out yet. Your mother did that town at work.
So I can't stay uncle.
No.
No,
You yam enough. You yam enough.
I go budget. I go budget you out.
No,
So
budget.
give me one dumpling, I cut in a two.
No, not even one me no want give you. Me I tell you the truth. Not even one. Just take up your bag, no man. See that? That even one little school bag. I want
No, school bag is nice. Want see?
No, that's not school bag. Cause you're a big boy. That's show me no school bag. Show me though.
I can't stay right as an uncle. I can't sleep right so. I can't sleep. Uncle, that's it. Don't call my mother and go send me to a cop.
Yeah, when you say with any emergency we must call 311. Yeah, me have a big emergency. Yes, there's a guy here with three AK-47.
Uncle, it's a lie. That's my gun.
One Glock 19 and one 9mm pistol.
Uncle, stop tell lie for me, man.
You hurry up, no.
Yeah, listen up.
Yes, officer, do.
I'm pack up my clothes.
But please, I beg you. You must give me, officer. No.
Tell them, say, what
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah, man, stay here.
Yeah, so me stay. Me have curtain can put up.
You should have shaved by yourself. You don't have clothes.
No, me have curtain.
A big boy like you. I want to know, let me ask you a question now. I can't every two niece and come down here. I mean, you want to come back up here? And your family, then you want to come full run?
No, uncle want you, man.
Let him know you don't have
You
a
can't tell
Renee.
her this. What is that?
Let him know you don't have a Renee down there.
You saw them tell me, I'm going to lie for me.
Me,
I'm from me and a family ram.
me don't ever
Me and a ram goat to ride them one of that and then sit there. Me and a ram goat. Ram goat and roll me see.
No.
Riding that.
You can't get money. You have to go. We know why you
Uncle, me have to see up
You
here.
can't take it stress. Me already have
Me left this till tomorrow we come back to it.
Yeah, man. Let's till tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll sleep early.
Yeah, man. Let's till tomorrow.
I give money, I key them and put that in.
Ufaki.
Fear key.
Mikey, Fidua. 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 If you come in here, come down.
Sleep.
Sleep where? I'm here alone sleeping on my bed.
Now if you go in there, bed, you give money, I pillow them.
No! Me no want when me get up in the night, me I look at no black somebody, I know, man. Me no want to take over your ground. Me no in that. You sleep out the door. And me no want you in my daughter room plus me need them in there.
Okay, no, say I'm sick.
Come, go on.
Sick.
Eh?
I'm sick and you want me to go out the door back.
No, go to the hospital. I'll keep it down there. You can't lay down on bed for the week. Go on. Just tell them lie. Just ball, roll upon the ground and ball. Just roll. Isn't it? Just roll. If you're going to get the injection, you take it the same way.
Have you ever this? No, I'm just ask.
We like today.
Me just say, Uncle, where? Me just ask him
Listen
to
me.
shoes.
Go.
Nah, do not own it.
Alright, stand up. No move. God, 25 and bone.
Uncle, that could have been me up, you know? That could have been me up, because alcohol have to sign us. And if you light fire. There look for.
No move.
There look for.
No move. No move, man. No move.
Oh, what?
No move. Oh. Fuck.
Weird. Hello. What's wrong with you? Oh, not doing it. We were coming last night and I sleep, girl. We are your cousin. You name Kayla. We don't know say name Shayna. That wake me up, man.
Shannon.
Shayna, don't even know my name. Yes, me I sleep. Come on. I'm saying that hard to. Oh, God. So, no one come up here for? Because your father take you from your mother. Say, boy, I come teach you the hard life. You just come from England. And she just get up in her bed and sleep, so. You think when you're done, you go sleep in her bed? Oh, you have to work. Don't up push back with them, we don't get up and do no work. Oh, down here different. And me live down here, so me I tell you no. Stop the night. What's that?
Yeah,
You better get up. White time, me can't manage now. White time. Down here different. At 5 o'clock you have to get up. And go out the road, go wake up yard. That's about white time. That's 10 o'clock. So you catch me in a bed. You don't even reach 1 o'clock yet. That's the time. We come out on the bed.
It's all yesterday night.
I thank you. Because I wouldn't do work.
No.
No?
I want to Bobby, darling.
We are visitor.
Exactly. We are your guest, I should get up.
Alright, make breakfast. We know. Actually, we not used to it, but wait. No, soon know what we're not going to do. Just wait. I think you're all hot. You don't have fun. Don't worry about that. No want breakfast. I look about some breakfast. I'm hungry. Wait, we are really I tell say you're hungry. You will come from big England. You can tell me say you want breakfast, righty? Yeah.
What the brighter one in there? What kind of brighter one in there?
You should go tell her she want breakfast. She righty, she want breakfast. She not going to do that herself.
Yeah, no problem. Breakfast is breakfast.
Yes, she's going to make it herself. We don't know if to cook.
You see? You tell me sister they have an over England and the money.
No.
You see? For your routine what she do, come straight up I see routine you do. We go a bush, we go look lagwood. Cause me nah no gas.
And I go cut grass.
Oh, I cut grass with
Oh no.
We are feed.
The goat them.
When they in there?
Them out of
Which one are you using last for the water last night, babe? Me. You just left from your mother last night. I will know your bed before you left. And you tell me say you were sweaty to walk over the hill. And you use up my pen of water and bed.
Yeah, for travel that vehicle with a little nasty people, you know. Me not used to that.
Listen, you can't this taxi. You can't this taxi. Me understand. So my sister over there. I drive up and down, we don't know. When you take bus and taxi. I want to think to the come here for. You see, I don't know. I'm going to get water. I'm going to get back my water.
When?
I'm going to go to bush.
When? Today?
No most.
I'm going to go one. The routine starting now. We're going to go for bush right now.
Yeah, man. Where was she? I'm going to go bush.
One. Now ask me about no machine. The chair, we're going to get some wood right now. And we'll get water. And we will cook bone. That's all. Good. And then who can cook? Well, learn to cook today.
So lady,
See the walkway here? I see the wood them they want to chop. So we go on, I'm there, so wait. You know, come here. I too want to go chop the bush them. Come in by.
Come to you.
I'm not going yet. I don't to bush them and see. We know the uncle at it.
Me they go down and chat by you. Well, come up here for a phone.
them say I chat to them.
Me see them are something here, you know. That one I must carry you. Watch out. Take that with them and make me hurt myself.
I waste up. I don't make someone that used to
Boom, my skin a crash me for you.
let me
Put it on right there. Go. Let's go. Take a
Ali
piece.
better.
We'll take a piece and bring it on the back.
No?
No, I want you. Bobby, then
Yeah.
I could not play phone.
Oh, you're not going to wait today, so we're power. But you don't really need no more now? No.
Take up one.
So that me tell him take up the piece and bring it gone. So why you don't want to bring none? Who is you? Come.
Me never come up
So. Where do you? Master, me go wrong.
Hold that.
I'm tired.
Oh, you do tired.
I didn't say. Go pick it up on phone and text me tired.
Alright. Marvelous. So we can start cooking all it. You're rake your yard. Fix it up, clean up your house.
You go up a bush and something to buy.
Welcome to country. When you go to bush, it's either courage or 40 leg or ants or duck ants or red ants bite you.
So why your daughter don't want to do nothing?
Who not do nothing?
She don't carry none. None at
She
all.
not going to
No, me bring it from down there, sir. I'm good right
Look
there.
up Bobby,
Yeah, man,
darling,
yeah.
Nicki Minaj. Stop tell lie. You look up fake plastic something.
Actually,
Uncle, don't make me use it thick and coop you down there.
Daddy don't know me. I may bring it from down there, so I'm good right.
Girl talking
Oh,
to me.
nobody waste your time for
Daddy, you see, I don't think you bring them pin here come back on you.
no, they must
Really,
learn.
huh?
No, they must learn. They must stress my sister out. They must learn.
But we are learn if only you look up fake Nicki Minaj or Cardi B or whatever Megan Thee Stallion
Shut
wanna
up.
be.
Don't worry about that.
Lily picnic.
And just about tattoo, what kind of father you be?
Listen me. I'm Mama yard. Me take him from with tattoo. That's why me take him from the
Yes,
Mama
I
yard.
get a laser.
Eh?
Why can't I laser them?
Me not have the money yet.
Because she a shake. Look at her. Like a
What-
big woman.
What? What?
That's her.
She have this up on my foot, uncle.
Oh, sorry. Anyway. I don't bother right here.
Good.
No.
Wow.
Wait, man. Wait, you don't give me a talk. One, you hurt your foot. You don't have to do nothing.
That's how me have to do all of the work.
Listen me. When your foot heal, you will do most of the work too. But for now, rake the yard.
Oh,
Never
nobody
rake.
react. Stop.
Oh God. Oh man. Oi. Don't rake the yard, so. Don't rake the yard, so. So. No man, for me sister four pools. Come, what me done, you know? I tell you now. You go and learn. You know how to cook?
Me say no already.
You go and learn. Remember, you go and learn.
All me do know is that's a rake tool.
You go
You
and
rake
learn.
yard in England? You don't even rake yard.
Come, take your rake now. You go on. I'll do it. Go on a shop.
You see, you look up to Nicki Minaj or whatever you want to be. You
It's
do
all
look
bad
at your
man,
all lie. Bad man over. You know, so if you say I don't know they pick up their style, because you
Of
couldn't have
course.
around your pantons.
You can't do what to do.
Boy can't tell what to do. You soon get me that.
I already get it already.
Such as?
No way make me come here so I feel like I can't brighten myself.
Nobody now feel done you come down and say one birth yourself. We are all family, we are all welcome. When you pack come over for you, they're not one around them and tell me say if you say you come over and come birth for yourself.
What?
You need to change your conductive ways. But
Oh.
how are you to decide that you two lie?
So I'm hurting yourself. But anyways, I will still go do everything. Because I'm not helping you do nothing. I shall tell him to you like say I'm do it and we can get custody.
If you say so. Remember say truth always come to light.
Oh. My father ever believed me. Remember now?
Let me come up in this because I don't like how do this style over here.
Your father got
I never to come back and let me wake up yard. Me do not know how to wake up yard. Me there England, me no wake up yard. I be a snow fall over there and grass in me yard. Me no wake up yard and they go give me yard for wake up. I be a dirt out there so. I done your hot last night. Me have to never have fun. Don't need to buy fan.
Get used to it.
Get used to what? Get used to
The
what?
hard life.
No. When your father come out, tell someone back of my yard.
So they tell him,
And that me I go do. Get your head just dry. All you good for do is just lay down, cock up our phone.
they claim to say you come from England, look at your chat, but they chat better than me.
Don't worry about my chat bad. Make me and chat bad. I forgot to patwa. Jamaica me the patwa happen down here. So your chat good, you talk.
I need to see my chat good. But you chat better than me. I'm a real born Jamaican.
So me have a half Jamaican.
No, but another. It's like Session was say, we are like our nationality and ethnicity is Jamaica. It's just that we were born in London, England.
Oh, you're so nasty. Me feel so nasty. No. Make you boy my dirty self fam. Your mother.
Don't make me a rita you hear?
Rita me.
A two
Rita me.
Do it. Don't speak. Don't even know. Don't speak to my father. Come.
Oh,
My father will know where man do to know.
okay.
Your father can't beat none of it.
Oh.
Oh,
My just the uncle, not my father. I never know my father was just.
Mm-hmm.
I know my mother. My mother don't beat me. You don't look
So
nasty
so
life.
rotten and spoiled.
rotten and spoiled?
But imagine how no room look
girl,
for
yeah.
England.
No, our room has LED lights, better environment and stuff. What wrong with you? You that don't necessarily look like say dance for 24/7 if you get a little dollar. We don't do that. Our mother make sure so we have and get what we want.
Tell her again.
So
tell her.
grabby if a man how you the chat and don't make me have to race you up in your hairstyle look like say I toy
You see her false ear in her real ear. I could have imagined her false real ear look like a.
Yeah,
You know what to
call
say.
them and whatever. These are not edges, those are waves. So I don't know what wrong with you. Girl say your head a swim.
Me mind now, me not have to pretty up my head and do every hairstyle.
But
Me
so
never
you
wanna
pretty
do
up-
no edges and hairstyles.
No.
Unlike you have to bore up tattoo up and dress like say and dress with half of your outside.
I don't
and
have
other
to do
thing.
that, baby girl. I don't have to do
We
that.
don't have to do this neither. We don't have to.
Stop talking to her and I'm hungry, me hungry.
Be the hungry, I can't even go cook.
Girl, I'm going to need
I'm more than it. I'm more than it.
No, exactly. Full of mouth, so proof say can back up the mouth chat. Go and go cook.
Action speak more than word, baby girls.
Exactly. So go show we action and cooking there.
I'm talking.
That's what I talk. All I do when you cook, you make sure I come out here and I love my life.
Make up finish up a yard, yeah.
I'm going.
But I go where? Weird. Anything where you look for, you want to get it.
Where I'm mad after watching.
So I can win it out, just so.
Come on, chat out. You want to come to them face? Oh, you look girl. Instead of coming and follow the place, go near my video and look wanga good. Crave yourself. You can't back here with your crave yourself.
Oh, yeah, car one go down where they call craven.
Oh no, you're your sister.
No come shut up in my face with your breath. You brush your teeth. No come shut up in my face.
Girl,
First of all, when me there England, me don't suffer. My fridge stack of food down here, so you don't have fridge, you don't have fan, you don't have nothing. I be a tape sheet and I be a post on down here, so.
But yesterday I sleep on the. And me have a call until I get up off of my bed. Can you eat up on bed?
So?
I yesterday I sleep comfortable because you have your foot left, right and center.
Exactly. It's a like ramen there. Me the bullet one of them toy and uncle. None!
Oh.
Mark my words.
Oh.
Not talking with me.
Just wait now.
Move in front of me. Move in front of me.
See you little girl. You know what? Me if you not you know. The best thing you shut up.
You can't shut me up because I'm afraid of you.
Hello. Enough heat in already. No fan not there. Me no want to put no more heat in our no argument.
We could have a good picnic.
You never like a head daughter with her Barbie self come in here. They come argue with me over food. And look at Shimaga.
Alright. You want no big nose. You go and run.
Why you call big nose?
You go and run.
They're more big.
Go ahead, man. Let me tell you something. Yo, me no want to hear you argue over no food. Food is something when you put it in your belly and you put it back
but
in your belly.
But them food and me not get we expect them must argue with them.
You have to cook your own food and them cook it.
I should have sent you bush and eat a whole lot of ramen them.
What? Which food?
Which food?
After nobody no cook no food, I mean I don't cook food. So what are you really going to your mouth to make the food?
Come again. Over the ears and listen that day. Then you have the food. I mean I get none and she come in an argument with me.
Me look at chicken on my left round there.
No, little chicken you left round there.
How come them you go boil tin mackerel? And fried dumpling? And rinse salt in the water and drink? Look here. Wait. Don't make me have to use the wire pan tonight.
You love it. You want to play? You love this wire? Why don't you use the pan them?
Oh, I've missed you so much. A long time I don't use you.
Okay.
Let me ask you a question. Where you go this morning?
What kind of question that, sir?
Where you go this morning then tell me say Mark X man come pick you up and I see him to me I want about dashboard.
Alright. Since there's a Markex man come to tell you when time I go in a car, then take one picture of the Markex. I'll show you if you prove.
I warn you, Sean. I warn you. If you fast you go continue, I go send you back on your mama's yard. You can't breathe on a man, the police come pull her.
Nobody can
And me, you know. Can you see me? Me no want to go behind bar. Cause around you not pretty. Every time a man I use a toilet, he say gas mask, I mean I it. Cause no gas mask around there. You have to say so. I mean I let me tell you that. So no wrong with me. You know? Look at here. Go on your bed. Please me I beg you. Go on bed. Me not long talking right now. Go on bed. Go bed. Go bed. You hear me want you? You hear me I want you? We have to turn upon me?
Come here and then nimble.
You see, we don't need back to Accusations.
I need to buy things. Don't even taste like a pepper. Like water and I eat.
Oh! So you tell me say the 4 bag of cup soup there, no boil them.
Girl, what pop soup left on the field?
So you could boil it for me?
No, what will look like to you?
Me in the house too, me not hungry too.
Oh,
No.
yesterday when we tell you, what you tell us? Alright, see how much come to you.
Ah?
Just a reciprocate.
Me not sit down too, me not wait till my father come, because my father I got know if he deal with. Oh no.
What you gonna do?
Just wait.
He bring me come here supposed to feed me with mother send money come. What am I doing?
And then them like back to them?
Yes! Yes! Excuse yourself, Barbie darling. Look what I have on to. Look here. Look how I have on to. Let's prove it. Look at
You
it.
bad mind, because this is not bad mind. You no bad mind over
No,
me.
what you have done here for we bad mind over? Baby, love, we live in England, you live Yasso. There's nothing to be bad mind of. Over England,
I'm still living mother's life over here.
Look here, look on
Yeah,
this.
good luck.
When me there England, you know, me eat pan tea. Look at me eat pan. Floor! We never tablecloth. A pants me up here use. Look on this. Which mother's life you dey live? Which one of them mother's life you dey live? Tell me which one. Which one of them?
Me not sit down too, no. Me not sit down too. My father will know where my do too.
One. Nobody never call in here. This means a shape. Excuse
Mother,
thank you. Me know say my mother you fat.
You're fat.
You fat?
You're fat.
You flat body.
The shape bad like a Heineken back.
With the humpy dumpy yes.
Hello. How are you doing?
You be a
No people.
You.
Me like that.
No more than go bad thing fit with the clip say they cover England chat bad. I mean, say I'm a cousin. They make cup soap in a yard and then do not give me none.
No, that's a lie. That's a lie. No. Listen, my niece them nah cook. I look for anything and I left none for you.
They want me to come out tired then. That's what I love road. Come out tired just for the.
So you want to then get up and then boil out the whole 5 pack of noodles?
Yeah, I don't give me none.
I don't give you none.
None.
Not even one little rinse of the water.
Not even tip high water.
You know?
What's that?
You come. Hello. What me here to happen?
What happened?
She tell me to boil out the whole of the pack noodles them. In there.
Uncle,
I lie.
I
yeah,
lie.
tell me.
Left back in this affair.
So what do you make it for me?
It's just that we boil food, pack no glass she and we never boil it for her because we never know she want no. So we left back.
What do you mean by it? What do you mean by 1 hour?
Yesterday when we say you're supposed to make breakfast, you never make anything, nobody not gonna make none for you. Yeah, look
What you
slave.
tell me to make breakfast yesterday?
Me
What you tell me to do make
She don't make
breakfast
no
yesterday?
breakfast.
She don't make
Yesterday,
none.
Uncle was there with them and we hungry.
Because they break themselves. You don't
And
break
she come
yourself
and break
now.
herself.
This is the reason why we don't want to see you go down for your mama. That's why I carry up to work like I hold them and work. That's why I go for you and I go for them. Because no, come up here, come have no easy life. We have to feel what we go through because that we fool nowadays, parents fool. To make uno feel like we a big woman before time. Because look here, see mama, make him put in boring navel, you know. Put on tattoo.
I'm born smiley, don't forget the smiley.
You have been smiling? Smile.
Uncle, I don't see a plastic smile. Tell me to
Ah!
open out and
No wrong pudding. You know wrong pudding.
Don't smile, me a smile.
Who tell us you can put on smiley?
I do because I want to.
Control her.
control your
You take up something in your hand and now you put it back
Wait,
in your
use the
hand.
fire, use the paper lizard.
No, I want me to buy that for your Barbie.
Hello. Listen to me. I'm my roof full of order. My little quarter storm party and it survive. Only now come bunny down and wreck it. I record nothing yet. So if anyone out who can live good, don't sleep at door.
Any problem? Tara door.
If
They talk about is England. But
No,
but
but
What about England?
tell them and along some here so.
Hello, let me tell you this. No England not there. A Jamaica you there.
Me know say Jamaica me there, but I me
You rake yard, you wash clothes with your hand and
So
you
no,
cook.
do it well tell for your bad girl. Your bad bitch say she can help you. Anytime we do not or she still while we're going there, so I look more Sophia and I say she not value life.
But the same thing when I do for the say so you can do.
Hello, let me tell you something. You see when time you don't get up a morning time, one wash the plate, one clean the house, one week yard.
Me wash the plates, me
And the
don't
chair on the go a bush one time. And the can when the chair on the can hood one time, enough for the day. We can make breakfast, we can make lunch out of it, we can make dinner out of it.
We are the uncle. You talk about what we are going to do. What you do? What you for? What you do?
No,
Remember saying after working, okay, you still have a 500 you pound money when mommy give you. So I'm supposed to feel so if you I don't know out of that I'm sure no say you can buy one gas, I'm sure no say you can buy food. And so you just me now I use the money.
Hi. Don't count on that 500 euro, you know. Your mother home me for all the days of my life for my wife on the body. When you know was a baby. I clean up.
Remember saying normally come over the coat teeth, you know? You feel so we never see you?
Yeah.
So yeah, take
that
your
the time they
split.
want to know the lily still. And if a thief, I take it. Because the wife belongs to my sister, belongs to me. So also the England owner, both span, belongs to me. Because my sister did over there, me a come for it.
Oh,
No prayer on the panel.
Visa and our passport.
You know what? Me will get it. My sister go file for me. Anyway, me I send she come over there in the land.
No, keep him out here.
People say me push him off of the bird when he reach high in the sky over the water.
You thought they push up a bird before so when me know say I'm asleep on the journey if you got airport, you know. And you say when him asleep, we just let him out of the vehicle and let him swim.
And this I wanted to. She just a roll, palm on the bed. Like 6 and bite her. Never be in before she got her bed. Me not roll pan up in the bed cannot fit.
No, I know that.
Don't bring the England style come on Jamaica. You bear every day when you're there. You don't
I know she
want
wants to lie down on the bed. When me there on the bed over England, me roll so and me roll so. Me have space to move. Me not use them my life here.
But she say you're not beard.
Maybe yet. Yeah, watch me a beard. If me a beard, they watch me.
You see, you just scratch at the night time and a roll and a singing food left
on piranhas out here. It's not working.
So
If they look good, that's it.
I like it work. You're a beard every day at night
It
time.
don't work. And stop telling you look a plastic
warning.
Warning. You see, you broke your pitney too bad tomorrow.
And don't, me know why you come on the road, I come try find me, but no food.
Whatever makes it, me eat.
You're 13, you have to learn to cook.
We can't cook.
You're 13.
You're a big 17-year-old girl and you're trying to come like you want to roll
Girl,
with
I'm
me.
a big 16 girl, me kick you out of your own house.
You're in bad cheat after on the band. When you're not cheat, when you're not four,
this a big advantage, sister.
Yes.
What we do to y'all is step people them over.
Oh, you see the bear?
Whoa, it's head time,
Any fight in my own.
Don't try
We not fight. Uncle, we love peace, no violence.
Because me see you this morning get up, fry one egg. Oh God, man. Your mother need to teach you no more.
Me tell us that we cannot cook. Where they going so? Whenever get up and fry for me, me tell us me can't cook. Where they going so?
I think Chinese didn't make black anise food, but that egg is a black anise egg. Anyway.
Well, that's a year for mother.
She called me that she's on honeymoon.
She married?
No, sorry. She's on. When you call out a see them on board with chair, the guy that she fall in love with. I only hope she saved some of that money for me. Anyway.
You already get enough. You don't know what I'm gonna do.
You need to hire one maid.
Sure.
Fit in here. Mama say me can't cook and hire one maid. She can cook and clean everything. I go a bush. And if I go to bush again, wash up plate, everything. Free life.
Every time we go bush.
Me go, yes. Text my money as you got.
You see the money when your mother send me come me, now put your mind on it. You see, mango the pan tree.
If me did hear correctly.
Remember me telling about the cherry tree? Let me see if you have that song. No,
see one right there so there. That no look good. One there so.
Okay. So the mango them on the tree, we go pick them and we go send them, we go sell them.
No, you can't do that. You see, when me hear correctly, when mommy did that talk, mommy said she has sent up your money for you can use it by yourself for eat and stuff. So I don't know where you get them this other from. You see, any nasty thoughts that you have in your head, you better mind us say. Cause me hear and me know when mommy did that say. Alright. Now come me call mommy and make mommy.
So you can't send up it and go sell mango too. What's the she?
The best fruit them on the tree. Somebody has to sell something different. One sell banana, one sell mango. One sell breadfruit. As simple as that. Money come in, we have enough money to make breakfast at morning time. When you say you want to make higher made, that's how we're gonna make the money. When you can't come from foreign and don't know how to do things, when they're in England, you can sell back 2 little things. You know, I'm planting 2 breadfruit over there.
No.
If a breadfruit tree can grow in a them over there. You don't know that?
No, I don't know how England run, you know.
Oh no, that me forget. You never go to school.
Never.
So, no bright. No bright. Have manners.
But upon no lie, we
Have
are
manners.
I know lie.
Anyway,
You make you look like see a lie.
you come here. Have manners. Make sure say. Make sure say, you know, the plate them wash up. You see, when we come back and then wash up, nobody getting dinner tonight. Everybody go and drink sauce and tea, go and them bed.
Uncle, you see if we come back here and we don't get nothing to eat, you see money where you use by food, watch how your belly go swell. Watch how you can live for 5 toilet. Watch.
Is that a threat?
Me not try.
See, the man continue in your own house.
You probably never beat
Why
it.
you not gonna say then? Where's the way you saw?
Ronnie, yo.
Try you look a midget.
Ronnie, kind of one on me see with man. Not in that area, I cut off on the neck. Ronnie.
I want to cut off.
Go on in. Take good me go in. Can we come?
Now go back on the road.
Where you the car road?
I'm going from the shop.
I thought it was a big woman.
Well, sir.
Well, if you see who you talk to.
It's too what Ulu well, shall nobody. Ulu me talk.
So why you want to follow your gosh? Your name
If
big
you
enough.
know, if you not follow me, don't come. If you not follow me,
Girl, if you want to follow where you're asking.
so come on.
We have to treat me so. We are not size, you know, you're little least
I
one.
don't
I
care.
will fix you. Chicken wrong.
Not to what I do. Uncle come in and come kill me. You want to pick me.
Let me see that.
I don't want not to red dirt, yeah.
No use to them there. They used to sin wash.
So, you want power? I want material.
You get one money sucker.
Pearls.
Oh, I did. Oh, sorry. Yeah, what's the small one? Yes.
We want.
More one rough top our big square. The big square can I put just
Another small one.
And the
our
power.
rough top.
You can power. I'm more material. That's cheap.
Yeah.
Crazy. What's that? Yeah.
Me I tell uncle watch. How much did my one come to?
You're $20.
Yeah. How much more?
And it's Sprite.
Now wanna drink it.
No, small.
Where I come from? Where I come from? You know what I'm there? Where I come from?
No, them drag me tired.
I just want to come from England to do.
No, and she said for follow her.
Follow her.
She go to the shop. Because she want to put that in
You know them have biscuit and juice, what I have? She
Well,
smack her first.
They say power, they say you know.
Where I did this? Where I did this? Give me this. Give me this. Me never broke up a drink. Energy drink. I didn't tell
I don't know that. You want that alcohol in there.
Listen,
I'll be a hand back with no alcohol in a hit. You think your mama had this?
and you buy one cigarette too.
No, I
cigarette.
believe that.
So
Me
not smoke no cigarette. You don't smell it for me. Okay, no craving is strong. Don't take daddy.
Smell. Yes, my ear.
Go inside. Go inside. Go, sir. Alright, go on. You're good. Ha! You're good. I know the photo yard again.
Mama, can't you see what that baby has done to me? Take out.
So you're not done from now. You don't remember.
No,
so
but
like
yeah, remember so we there so but
Listen,
it don't
look,
make no sense we there and fight because we make sense. We come here for enjoy a little time and we are in and we have to just make him most of it before uncle come then he go tell we to do something.
You can make you go surprise him, say what we are for you. Go on. Mama, can't you see what that baby has done to me? Take away my MP3. Now I'm watching Barney.
Now I'm watching cartoon. You laughing? You watch the straight from Marley?
No.
We play the mosh girl.
No follow them in the car. You will get when you wash to play them.
Me watch the plate something if they wash it.
That's just the thing, you don't wash them, but we wash them.
You will take car if they don't wash it. You know wash the plate from Marley?
Yes,
Yes,
uncle.
sir.
You know what I think? May I talk to you?
Me listen. I'm ears listen.
Which one now no? Take up my $500 out of my pocket this morning.
See, she had turn on and look up in the sky and she.
Yes,
Are you? I don't mean, are you? Cause you know, well up in the sky, him attack. Are you? Don't touch she.
Looking at your father, yeah, tell him, say, Daddy, I did not steal it.
I did not steal your money.
Daddy, you see she laugh?
And she did the money.
Really, Grandpa? Okay,
No,
see she
better.
laugh?
One more strike and I see you go back in your mama yard. I'm going to get some water for me cook.
You can more and buy fast food tonight.
Ooh,
Remember, say you run them not done it. I know that for your fuckers. He
which money?
currency higher.
What is money?
No you want to know me give you.
Yeah, mommy. My sister send the money for me. You don't send
No.
the money for Uno.
I'm going to
Anyway.
say if you use your buy so
Put in your hand now.
Go pick up. What am I saying for your
My mother done beat me to stop put on for you want little people too much.
I can't see this.
we no
run.
business.
Me not run. Come up.
I'm tired of it.
Go and go get your water.
Stop now.
One.
Let me give me
water
some.
to
Mr.
cook.
Bonessi,
We need one. One video. One.
I think now
One. I'm gonna tell you worst thing. Oh, no, walk up. Worst thing, yo. Take up stress and problem It's the worstest thing. I don't really wait about England.
Alright,
in
close.
summer.
One, every time come on cook. I remember, hey. Don't let my kids go on the drive, you know.
Speak.
Now we
See that drive.
Now be away and in the face.
Come from my house, there's no one. I'm not sure if you will. Tomorrow we walk out and come. No,
No,
we're
I'm
not
so
home.
Now what about it? So come up here. Don't look for nobody can see me over there.
Okay. Don't go to the job, let me know.
And don't well it good.
Stop moving. You know what? I'm yellow running to. I'm not a good man. You know, you know, Eric. Because you never found out what you're
Man, boy.
Eh?
Man, boy,
Yeah.
father.
You know it?
No, I see
So
a
that
couple
means
times.
you know how you stay there.
So you up there, so.
Yeah.
So you know.
Son.
No, so you know, son.
Eh?
That right, you know.
You want me?
I'm boy, man. You can't get to know each other.
You want me? Let's say you want me.
That's what you know.
Yeah, me see.
You see me?
You know, the Jamaican man look about the food when I used to know those things.
Okay. Where do ya? No, yeah, my mother.
Yeah.
I want this lah.
My friend.
You mean by?
Like this.
I know him long time.
No.
No.
I mean,
Yeah, yo. Yeah, but I'm a
Tell him I'm going away. What's that? I want to tell me.
Point.
What's
What's going on
I'm
here?
there. We can't do me now. You are in an argument with me. I'm going to give you a jug of water. You come close right up.
Uncle,
Yeah,
you
what you
can't
looking
listen to one side of the story.
Where are we talking for?
Me did it. And me and my sister said we are going to take a walk because we don't know the place. So we walk going light post with the night
So now
time.
people man walk and take man.
After we take, you say we're going
Let
to
me
catch
finish.
water.
Alright.
And then when we did that now and we are looking up. And then when we look, I see that me see pose up power so with big man or something. And then you see anytime that happen, me realize that I am man when my sister, when my mother talk to.
This.
Yes, Trey. I hear me see how she attack us.
No, you might ask me if you are my father. Me I say yes, I am.
Yeah, no.
Wait,
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, I don't know if wage up.
They left you down there, and they bring up, they run left me.
You know what? Me come to right now. Me can't take you no more.
What they tell us if it took
Me sorry, me take you from your mother.
Yeah, bring me back.
Me I bring you back there.
Yeah.
If you want to turn prostitute, or anything you want to turn down there, but not under my roof. No know.
We'll go back to him, mother, praise the Jesus.
First thing tomorrow.
No.
Or later.
Tonight, yeah.
Alright, me I ship on away. Me can't take it. Me can't take the pressure no more. Me cannot take the pressure. No food now cook right now. Yo,
Me I go back down there so go empty out the jug of water then.
go and go bed. Go and get ready to go on the yard tonight.
What a jug?
Hold on. Go on. before me give a red stripe.
Turn it off.
What? Alright, now.
Nah, right by you. Uncle, me nah, me say it.
Yo, I'm going to get the money yet. How long you up so many things I run afford this week, you?
Listen up.
How long you been up here and them for you?
Yo, watch it now.
But send it for me a morning, dog. I have to borrow much money for my daughter. And my daughter want pampers and something.
Yo, me.
Just send the money a morning, brother.
Me I work for something, man. Watch it now.
Much week now you work for something. I don't work for you. When you tell me bend your iron, then I bend them.
You can't do it.
All of my back a kill me, I bend them.
You understand, brother, but watch it now. Just give me some time. That's it.
What kind of time you want?
You, then when she did that, brother, that's some big.
You want me to go to market and buy time? At the time they alone me can give.
I'm joking.
You do it so much weeks, you lock down. You can't see.
Me I go get, you know, so just one on.
So why is it that man boy I get something big? What you talk about?
And let you know I load up the thing, but I don't even know how close you know, man, they're right now.
You get a food for me tomorrow.
Yeah.
Make sure tomorrow you get me.
Tomorrow it's reach, man.
Make sure you
don't worry.
So me need it, come here and borrow
Yo,
too
listen,
much
man,
money.
something
You
nice tomorrow.
Very iron them for you
Check
for
me
a
on the
work.
workshop.
One thing man you work for a red dog, I know me still not get paid for that work.
I like them, man. Me see in relative body, man.
So you have to check him on them,
Yeah,
man.
man.
You have to focus on girl you know.
That's what you say.
Look over. Just see me a call out tomorrow.
Alright, now say alright. Things rough right now.
Evening.
Remember say evening there? You remember to see you?
You still
Who
there?
not broke that?
Oh, you broke ya? Then, tell me now. Now you're so live, sister.
Oh, well,
uncle. Oh, uncle ship us up back.
She put no back.
where mommy there?
The man not coming in.
Oh, so where
Me never see her now.
where the hat? Don't cut her up on that for you. Oh, say, I'll cut her up on that.
Me not hot.
Where's the wicked?
Hi, mother.
Why not the back, sir?
Mother, you are lucky we have made it out alive and well, and you didn't have to bury our dead bodies or nothing. But either way, man, you're not gonna like you say no. But just say him, remember what did I tell about him? He's a scammer too. Uncle, I need with Uncle after. Uncle never tell you? Oh, right now, Uncle probably live on you.
Yes, my brother just come on the phone to me. We just get off the phone to your uncle, come and sweat. The news, the hearts are go. We just sweat. We just get off the phone to your uncle.
Listen.
You have something to tell me? Trey?
Confess my brother.
You have something to tell me, Trey? You really have something to tell me, Trey, before I come out today? I don't want to sit down, I don't want to sit down, because like come here sweat and my blood pressure raise. I don't want to know what my brother tell me is the real truth. So come talk. You have something to tell me?
Yeah, you don't really have no money.
So what was your plan?
Yeah, send me for that. Something don't really know if you hear me.
Me? You know, see me at two picnic. When me, I gotta take care of you. You know, need a man. You don't need a man for come take care of me. Oh, when me tell you, so me have two picnic, he said that's no problem. You come and meet two big daughters them. So what my daughters them was telling me for true. And you make me run my baby there.
No.
You make me run my picnic there a country.
That's the part they are like that. I would have never looked at that. I would have never think it up.
Trey, how much to believe you?
That are true.
But me to believe, believe that. But me to, you have my head, y'all have me a sweat.
You know saying that I'm
Tell upon that man.
I'll tell you the truth. You dare look here?
Tell the truth.
Tell the truth.
No,
If I even that, just say, tell that.
but we just want to get rid of him because the spirit they pick him.
Yeah, listen, I would just tell you.
You're not telling alright.
Alright. We'll deal with you later. I'm never grow your son. We'll deal with you later.
Good.
But you, So what? An English accent you hear? Accent you follow? Auntie send me come with a bag of money.
I know my friend. Yep, we can't talk right now.
No, you can't talk right now. You can't talk right now. You have to justify it.
Yeah.
I don't like client.
No, client.
Probably.
Probably know I all have woman too.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, mommy, me tell you, in there with Uncle Daughter.
No.
Yes.
How we did like.
Mommy.
Remember when they came to what I was saying before? But me,
No.
me might have did hungry, but me I don't know what to perhaps.
Yeah,
My legs are very healthy.
Yeah, tell me to she father wants some bread.
So when it's so fit that they hold up somebody so and then you kiss them and say a chance to
Kiss!
Me kiss her.
Kiss!
You see me kiss her?
Sister, you never see when you
Yeah.
hug him up and you
Stop.
Mama, sit there.
No, man, tell her later and kiss her. You look like they kiss her.
Argument. Come on. You have to go. You have to go. Go. You have to go. I can't take no
You
lie.
can't fix this.
No. Can you see how you come with lie? You can't do upon lie. Fear father hurt me. You see me there trying to see if you can find a good man. You know what years when I look nobody? And then Trey, you really come to hurt me. A boopsie take me for Trey, really. A boopsie take me for.
Look at me,
Yo, you have to go, man. Come on to me out. Come out. Out. Get out. Go. We don't want me can't do no more. Don't hit that now.
Mama, I get my
And look up.
Kela hoş mı? Kela ilumi kya hoş mı? Ben ako bago to.
Don't bow.
Na bago hoş mı?
Let's
Look how I'm singing to you. Oh. We can't take it no
Hush.
We don't fight. Baby. Oh my God.
Hush.
Oh God.
Don't cry.
Oh God.
Be strong. Don't cry.
Yeah, be strong.
Don't cry.
Like officer. We can't
Yes.
Oh.
Don't cry.
Don't cry, mommy. Don't cry.
Alright.
Mommy, you just listen to the beginning.
Let me just listen.
Yes.
Oh God, look at me.
Hush.
Alright. You see like how that happened? You have the truth to tell me now.
It's true.
You have the truth to come tell me. And there's a real strength now. It's me and Uno. Come, yeah, I have to talk to you. I have to come talk to you.
Come.
And there's my strength. And there's my strength in my rock. It's time to tell them the truth now.
Come on, speak.
Let me tell you this, you have to know, sir, everything we do and everything we did say, I truly love you.
Yeah, we love you.
You know when you come to me the other day from wedding, from before we leave, I'm going to ask about my father. That time we talked to tell him the truth.
Yeah.
Start with the beginning. You never know how to tell it.
Yeah.
Yeah, ask your father.
Yes, I treat your body with the things. You never think that. Yes, it's gone, as in the somewhere in the world.
No, you never will.
Weird.
Wait,
Daddy dead.
Inton Spider-Man?
Huh?
Your daddy dead.
You know, I really feel like I'm not never know.
You never want to tell you because he kind of died by because in the day there's some bad company. Bad company. And that's why I'm protecting the two on because we seem to get, I don't know what it is, we just seem to be magnetized to bad man. Because all your father,
What do you mean?
your father in a prison. For the same thing.
Well, I never really know. So, no, all that.
Me just,
If I think it would be different. But, I don't know. I don't know.
Mommy, They just bad luck.
It just bad luck is something, so me try this. And so I never want to really tell them, me try to grow on and protect on from the bad world on the father come from. And you even tell me if you know, go pick up no pinky finger man, you know, and look, we come bring one in too. And all I know, I try to talk to me, and I don't want to believe, you know. And I said, that's something fine enough. But my daughters, you know, forgive me. Tell me true, me love, you know, we never tell you the truth, you know. I true, me love, you know. I mean, no one not happen to them. But on a father them not good. I mean, can't take the thinking man them no more. I'm sorry.
Yeah, welcome back, guys, to PFS Films. You know where I'm at? Sunrise Escape, Private Villa, Breadnut Hill, Orchard Hills. I'm gonna tell you something, it's so quiet and peaceful. Yeah, so I'm going to show you, so no follow me. Follow me. Come on, let's go. Come inside. Yeah, welcome back to PFS Films, guys. If you want to watch a movie, want to check out that Airbnb, follow me. Check it out. Very comfortable. I soon go to the location because the location going for the first part, but let's check out this. Alright, you have the kitchen here. So you know, say if you want your mom's settle down, you have big fridge, the price is right to know so more the price too. See there? Nice. Follow me, me show them what I want. Analyze what I want. Follow me. Let me show them what I want. Follow me. You see? You can't get no better than this. TV, AC, good comfortable bed for woogie pan. Sofa, watch this. Closet, but we soon show the official room now. Wi-Fi, no problem. Wi-Fi here, cable here. Follow me again, follow me. Camera, follow me. Let's go to the next room. Follow me. Let's go. Look at the view. Natural view. Follow me. This is the next room. Big TV. Big sofa. Small sofa. Come into the kitchen. Follow me. I can cook. Sit and eat with your moms. Stove, you have to wear. And next big fridge here. And we have microwave. We have the fridge cupboard. But you think I say, don't come on, follow me. Let me show you the bedroom. Watch your step, because you have to watch your step, you know, when you are coming to the master bedroom. This is where, yeah, when the hair scene in this room the same way. You turn on the light, you're going to see good. Nice dresser. You can in the bathroom. No, remember you had a bathroom over the room, but still remember now. Mirror. Yeah, I think it's hot and cold shower. Definitely, I'll try you out and let you know. Because it's nice. But what's the trick? Watch it. I never go on Airbnb and see this. I never go on Airbnb and see the light come in and I can see me close them. Yeah? Wait. TV in your room, TV in your hall. Come, but follow me. You know, don't yourself. Follow me. The movie soon start. Wait, follow me. You know, I'm looking patient with me. Follow me. Alright, watch this. This is a nice one. God bless. I tell you the truth. You see this one now? And this one would I take when me I come shoot movie in a Ochi. This year. Because guess what? You have 4 tables. I'm like like 6 away. Up here to shoot movie right through the month. Look on the setting. Big enough to go to some good movie. Alright. No one would like the boat. Let's go install come in the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah, let's think. Water, can, short of water. One of them are hot, one of them are cold. You have stove, fridge, whirlpool too. And I'm not going to scumpy. Follow me. What's this? This is my best part of the moment. The bedroom, where we find the light switch people. Look at this. Look at this. Eh? You tell me. Anything. I don't know what is this yet. Hold on. I think I have an idea that you. See there? See there? No, no, me I say man. What is fun? Same thing. Look on this. Light. As I said before. No, joking me. The movie so start. You don't have to look patient with me. Because I show you what nice place. See that? Nice place. Come on, well, your beard, take a shower, you brush your teeth, you look in the mirror, yeah. Nice little room, some shoulder view then. Alright, camera, turn on the camera over there. So, remember someone now book the room, when I mention my name, PFS Flame, Popeye, Wanda. In the down here, so hold on this, stay tuned.